this is our holiday to France. Started our journey from home, Leicestershire, off down to Black Horse Farm Caravan Club site for one night, and then catch the ferry in the morning from Dover to Calais, and we are off to Camping du Lac de la Lise down near Langres. Everybody's on board. Children, teenager, husband, old man, yeah, nervous passenger here. We've got our Bailey Unicorn Segovia on the back, fully loaded in here, bikes, fridge for my wine, and we're currently on the M1 traffic. Looking for bluer skies. Excited? Just me apparently?
Yeah.
Maybe him? Gadgets are out in full force. Not a peep. And now we're just going to hit a load of traffic. Hopefully we should be at Black Horse Farm in a couple of hours. Traditional McDonald's for tea tonight. And then up at about 3 in the morning. Get down to Dover for about 4 in the morning. Lots of traffic. Oh, it's alive. Just about at the Dartford crossing now, guys. Anyone want to look up from your screens? Marnie husband, because I keep co-driving. Traffic is crazy. Devon or Cornwall. That's bad. Nice pub.
How much longer?
Need some prosecco. A few minutes, that's all. Well, not so good with this stick. It's a little bumpy. Oh, bumpy roads. Get to this site, unhook, chill out for a bit.